Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing the AURORA nails again. So if you guys watched my last tutorial, I do love how they came out, but I'm gonna try it again. I have a pink one here that is like a yellow to pink. I also have, I think I'm gonna go with this like corally pink, and I have the yellow, but I'm thinking corally pink. And I filed down my nails so thin. So we're gonna make this work, okay? Like I literally took off everything. So, in theory, I won't mess this up. So, we're gonna take what we learned as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this into my sizes before we get started, okay? Do it before. All right, we're gonna do the thumb together, and then I will fast forward the rest of them. So I am going to take gelish foundation. Again, my nails are already prepped as thinly as possible, and I mean thin. And I am just going to scrub this in, because again, we're keeping everything super thin. Give that a cure. All right, it is still wet. So this was just cured. And now we're going in with that chrome. All right, I'm gonna take Jimmy Gel again, and I am going to apply a nice thin layer here. Perfect. And now I'm gonna grab the little Mylar. The difference in this one, I did not put a larger thing of gel, and we're gonna see how this one works. Okay. So I'm not quite sure if you can tell. Let me darken this. Right there. So see how there is a bubble there? So what I'm doing is trying to get all the bubbles towards the edge, because I don't mind if, for instance, there's an edge right here that has a bubble, because I can essentially put that Jimmy Gel back under it. If it is like super far in, not going to work. So just pointing that out for you guys. All right, now we are going to encapsulate, and this one is much thinner this time. So make sure if you need to put any gel around the side, just go ahead and kind of swipe it off onto there. It's a little black in this one. Okay. All right, now going to grab that bigger bead. Laying it slide down and rolling it off. Work it down. Always going over the edge, and then we are going to flip for rebuilding of that apex. Y'all, I'm way more happy with this one than I was the last one. All right, so this is where we're at. You can see we're nice and thin, because my nails are not that long. Like, that's all you need. My nails are not that long. So we're gonna have one more layer of gel, foil, and then top coat, and that would be perfect. I guess we'll do a slow dramatic for you guys. You're welcome. Okay. I'm so much more happy with this one. Okay. I'm gonna cure this, but this is what it looks like. I do think it needs that foil on top because of those edges. I just think it kind of hides them. I mean, in real life, you're not gonna like see them, but I mean, when you guys are like right up in the camera. My question still stands. How the heck do you tell the difference? Actually, that's correct. Again, I sure did. It's so sparkly, you can't even see it. right? I mean, come on guys, look at that. I like putting the foil above, so like encapsulating and then doing the foil. You probably could do it right over the other foil, but I just think it gives it more dimension. And you could maybe do another thing of Jimmy Gel if you wanted. Like you could do less layers and then do the more encapsulated part. Yes, I'm okay. I grabbed it and I was like, why is that so... That's what I want to see. Okay. And get here. All right, look at it. All right, that might be too dark. I mean, right? It looks so cool. I feel like this one is not coming up on camera as much, but in like real life, it just looks absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna do the rest, but I'm gonna fast forward. But I did want to show you like the full tutorial, even though there is another one up already, but you know what I mean. So let's do the rest.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted.
All right, I figured you didn't want to see the encapsulation because you're like, I got it. So I did have a couple parts where I filed and I just went ahead and touched those up. So FYI.
With the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
All right, y'all, I loved the other ones, but I love these ones. Look at that. It's like fire. It's so dramatic in real life. Like, I don't think it's even coming across at how cool it looks. Oh, so cool. I just love them. Can we just appreciate? I hope you guys liked, since I'm doing them all the same, let me know if you guys liked the fact that I essentially went ahead and did the entire nail and then just fast forwarded for these guys. I think that just makes sense. That way you don't have to sit there and like I'm doing all of these at the same time, and usually you do a thumb separate anyway, so let me know. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think